Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account email or phone is reachable. You need the delivery link. Once done, open Instagram settings, tap security, then download data. You enter your email and submit the request. Instagram queues the archive. Make sure two-factor prompts are handled if required. This step begins the only reliable restore path. You are asking Instagram for your account archive, which includes messages. Wait for the confirmation email. It can take several hours, up to 2 days. Once you receive the email, download the zip to a secure computer or phone and extract it. Do not open unknown attachments on public machines. Inside, locate messages. JSON or the Messages folder that holds direct message history. You open it with a JSON viewer or a text editor, then use search to find the username or keywords. This reveals deleted chat content in raw form. If you need readability, paste the JSON into a viewer or convert to CSV. To finish, copy important message text or take screenshots. You cannot re-import conversations into Instagram, so preserve the extracted content externally. If you don't find expected messages, make sure you requested the archive from the correct account and waited the full processing window. Once you confirm the zip is complete, contact Instagram support only as a last resort, noting request date and account details. Tip: if files look truncated, re-request the data and verify email delivery and storage permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.